Hello and welcome. Today, we are learning about a method called a Gaussian elimination. This is a step-by-step way to solve system of linear equation. That means solving more than one equation with more than one unknown number like x, y, and z. Why is this important? You'll see a system of equation in many real-life problems, like calculating prices, solving physics problems, or even planning a budget. Gaussian elimination is a simple and organized way to find the answer. And now, let us discuss a Gaussian elimination. So our topic for today is all about Gaussian elimination. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand what Gaussian elimination is and why it works. Apply Gaussian elimination to solve system of linear equation. And the last, identify when a system has no solution, one solution, or infinitely many solutions. So, what is Gaussian elimination? Gaussian elimination is a method used to solve system of linear equations by transforming the system augmented matrix into an upper triangular form, from which the solutions can be found using back substitution. Let's look at this system. 2x plus y is equals to 5. And the second, 4x plus 3y is equals to 11. So our goal is to remove variables step by step to make solving easier. Step 1. So write the equation as a matrix. So it is 2, 1, and 5, and 4, 3, and 11. Next, the step 2 is make the first number in row 1 a 1. Divide row 1 by 2. So, row 1, 1/2 times row 1. So, the result of the matrix is 1, 1/2, and 5/2. And 4, 3, and 11. And the step 3 is remove the first number in row 2, subtract 4 times row 1 from row 2. So row 2 to row 2 minus 4 times row 1. So the result of the matrix is 1, 1/2, 5/2, and 0, 1, and 1. Step 4, the last step. Solve the second row. Y is equals to 1. So put y is equals to 1 into the first row. So x plus 1/2 times 1 is equals to 5/2. So the result of this 1/2 times 1 is equals to 1/2. So subtract the 5/2 into 1/2. So 5/2 is equals to 1/2 is equals to 4/2. So, di ba ma-divide ang 4 o 2, so the x will become 2. And the answer is the x is equals to 2 and the y is equals to 1. To interpreting the results, there are 3 possible results. First is the one solution, like in our example. Second, no solution. You may see a row like 0, 0, and 5, which means something is wrong. Third is infinite solution. You may see 0, 0, 0, which means one equation is already included in another. The following are one of the real-world applications. So we don't just use this in class. Gaussian elimination is used in computer graphics for 3D shapes. Second, engineering to understand circuit and forces. Third, and the last is economics to help with planning and resource. So, to assess that you really understand the discussion and fully understand it, let's answer the activity together. Let's answer together. So, x plus 2y plus z is equals to 6. 2x plus 5y plus z is equals to 15. And 4x plus 10y plus 4z is equals to 30. First, we'll make the equation a matrix with the coefficients of x, y, and z. So, in the answer of the answer in the same column respectively, like this. 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 10, 1, 1, 4, 6, 15, 30. Our first goal is to make the element and second row and first column, which is 2 into 0. Dapat si 2 is mahimong 0. So, in order to make that, we'll use the row operations, which are row swapping, row addition, and row multiplication. We'll be using either of the three. So, in order to make 2 be 0, so we'll multiply by 2 in row 1 minus row 2 will become row 2. So, the new matrix is look like this. After that, make the element and third row and first column, which is 4 to 0. So, dapat si Ned kanina sad ang mahato na siyang himuon og 0. So, in order to make that, so we'll multiply row 1 to row 4 minus row 3 to becomes row 3. So, now, the matrix becomes like this. 1, 0, 0, 2, negative 1, 10, 1, 1, 0. Since parehas man si 4 here, so ato siyang i-change into 0. So, 6, negative 3, and negative 6. Our new matrix is look like this. Now, we'll have a new system of linear equation. So now, we'll have a new system of linear equation. So, x plus 2y plus z is equals to 6 minus y plus z is equals to negative 3 and negative 2y is equals to negative 6. So, kung mga tana mo og asa na ko nigikan, dili na to ni siya gikuha. Ato lang kay mo naman ni siya ato ang new system sa linear equation. So, mo ni ang ato ang ipang substitch. Ato ni ipangita para dili na to makita ang value ni x, y, and z. So now, let's find the value of y. So, kani atong gamiton. So, to get the value of y. So, negative 2y is equals to negative 6. So, para mabilin si y, atong i-divide by 2 both side. Negative 2, negative 2. So, cancelled out. Then, si y na lang nabilin. So, negative 6 divided by negative 2 is 3. So, nakuha na nato ang value ni y. Since nakuha na nato ang value ni y, so, pangitaon na po nato ang value ni z, which is kani atong gamiton. So, ang value ni y nato gaina is 3. So, kani atong gamiton to get the value of z. So, negative y plus z is equals to negative 3. So, ato lang tong substitute ang value ni y gaina, which is 3. So, ato na siya 3 plus z is equals to negative 3. Para si z na lang ang bibilin, ato siyang ibalhin the other side. So, the negative 3, kaya ibalhin man nato siya din nga side. So, will become positive. So, z is equals to negative 3 plus 3. So, now, our z is 3. Negative 3 plus 3 is equals to 0. Now, nakuha na dyan nato ang value ni z. Now, to get the value of x, atong gamiton na equation is this. The value of y, since nakuha na nato ang value sa y gaina o sa z, ato lang na siyang transpose. So, x plus 2y, which is the 3, plus z is 0, so equals to 6. So, x plus 2 times 3 is equals to 6, plus 0 is equals to 6. So, ato lang para si x ang mabilin, atong ibalhin si 6 sa pikas. So, the positive 6 will become a negative 6. Sige, balhin man nato siya diri. The other side. So, 6 minus 6. So, our x now is 6 minus 6 is 0. So, now, nakuha na nato ang value sa x, y, and z, which is the 0. Then, the z is 0 and the y is 3. Now, let's check it. So, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 3, and z is equals to 6. So, the first, to get equal, para makuha na to, o tama ba kani atong unahon? C, kung equal ba sila sa 6. So, x plus 2y plus z is equals to 6. So, 0 plus 2, which 2y, which is 3, plus z is equals to 6. So, 0 plus, so 2 times 3 is equals to 6, plus 0, 0, 0, 0 equals to 6. So, 0 plus 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. Then, equals to equal. Now, atong i-try ni equal ba? So, 2x plus 5y plus z is equals to 15. Alam yapon siyang the same ani. Alam yapon silang ipang. So, 2, 0 plus 5, 3 plus 0 equals to 15. Now, 2 times 0 is equals to 0. Plus 5 times 3 equals 15. So, plus 0. Now, let's add this. 0 plus 15 plus 0 is equals to 15. Then, 15. So, equal siya. And the last is this. So, 4x plus 10y plus 4z equals to 30. So, 4x, so 0 plus 10y, so 3 plus 4 z is 0 is equals to 30. Now, let's multiply this. Now, 4 times 0 equals to 0 plus 10 times 3 is 30. Then, plus 4 times 0 is 0. So, equals to 30. Now, 0 plus 30 plus 0 is equals to 30 is equals to then 30. Then okay, equal sila. We see that we see that the values we found is correct. So our values of x, y, and z are 0, then y is 3, then the z is 0 is respectively.